Sibelius versus Dorico. Which music notation software is better? Choosing the right music notation software can transform how you compose and arrange music without the frustration of complicated tools. Both offer powerful features but differ in approach and workflow. Sibelius and Dorico are two leading music notation programs designed for composers, arrangers, and educators. The core difference lies in their design philosophy. Sibelius focuses on ease of use and speed, while Dorico emphasizes advanced engraving and flexible workflows. Sibelius, developed by Avid, is a widely used music notation software known for its intuitive interface and quick learning curve. It allows users to create, edit, and print sheet music efficiently with a range of tools for note input, playback, and score formatting. Sibelius supports touch input and integrates with other Avid products, making it ideal for users who prioritize fast composition and straightforward editing. Its strengths include a large library of sounds, cloud sharing options, and compatibility with various file formats. However, Sibelius can be limited in handling highly complex scores or unconventional notations, and some advanced engraving features are less customizable compared to competitors. It suits composers, arrangers, and educators who need reliable, fast notation with solid playback and collaboration features. Dorico, created by Steinberg, offers a modern approach to music notation with a focus on professional engraving quality and flexible workflows. It uses a project-based system that separates flows and layouts, allowing complex scores to be managed with precision. Dorico excels in automatic music spacing, intelligent note input, and detailed control over dynamics, articulations, and expressions. Its playback engine uses high-quality samples and supports deep customization, appealing to composers seeking nuanced sound rendering. The software strengths include advanced engraving options, extensive support for contemporary notation, and seamless integration with Steinberg's DRDs like Cubase. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and less intuitive initial setup for beginners. Dorico is best suited for professional composers, arrangers, and engravers who require precise control over score appearance and sound, especially for complex or large-scale projects. Sibelius and Dorico serve different user needs despite overlapping capabilities. Sibelius shines in quick score creation, making it ideal for educators and composers who need to produce clean results fast. Its user-friendly design supports collaborative workflows and is great for standard classical or popular music scores. Dorico, in contrast, offers superior engraving quality and flexibility, perfect for professionals handling complex compositions or contemporary music requiring detailed notation. While Sibelius is easier to pick up, Dorico demands more time to master but rewards with unmatched control and polish. Choosing between them depends on your priorities: speed and simplicity with Sibelius, or precision and depth with Dorico. Choose Sibelius if you want fast, reliable notation with an intuitive interface, especially for educational settings or standard composition workflows. Opt for Dorico if your work demands advanced engraving, flexible score management, and professional-level playback. Its powerful features make it the best choice for serious composers and engravers aiming for precision and detail in every score.